Hello friends, we are here with my new topic of Power BI basic ingredients in Power BI. What are the basic ingredients in Power BI? These are data sets, visualizations, report, dashboard and tiles. This is the whole process which we do for analyze the data set in some particular manner. We we just create we just do these steps. From dataset we create visualization, from visualization we go to the report, and from report we create dashboard or tile. So dataset may originate from various data sources and may even be a combination of different sources. Power BI can connect to different data sources and dataset can be created by them. Next one part is visualization. Ingredient is visualization. Visualization are a visual portrait of data. Various visualization can be created to convey different information. So various types of charts and tables which are used to convey information for different types of representations. These are various types of charts are bar charts, pie charts, map charts. According to the requirement of presentation or visualization, we create the visualization. Reports. Reports are a collection of related visualization that tells a story. The goal of visualization is to tell a story. For example, sales over time or sales for different age group. We want to show in the report, then we will show entirely different. A single page, next one, a dashboard. A single page in a report is known as a single page in a report containing various visuals or related visuals can form a dashboard, which tell a story about the data analysis, what data contains, what data insights are, and a single visualization in a dashboard is known as a tile. All of these are the fundamental ingredients to tell a story to drive business decision. According to these, we drive the business decision, what we need to do for future sales increment or what we need to do for our business enhancement. Now, there is one more ingredient DEX, which stands for data analysis expression. So, I'm going to present here a basic overview. We will go in depth in coming videos. After few videos, we will go to the DEX. What is DEX? The data analysis expression for Power BI, Excel's Power Pivot, and Microsoft Analysis Services. It is similar to the Excel formulas but includes functions and operators which are generally specifically cater for data analysis. For data analysis purpose, we use DEX formulas in Power BI, which which are used specifically for the data analysis. These are used for calculated columns in Excel and best to calculate something known as measures in Power BI. Measures are values computed from data that can be referenced as variables. Measures are values computed from data set that can be referenced as variables. So these are the variables values. So these variable values can create by filtering the data set of contents of the data set. There is a DEX reference page. The link is given here. You can copy it in your Chrome or which type of icon you are using, and you can go to the basic page of the DEX formulas, DEX for what we are using. DEX is very important. Data analysis expression are really very important topic of the Power BI. Generally, it will be asked in your interview what are the DEX formulas, how it is used, where it is used. So we will go in the detail in coming videos. I hope you understood which types of ingredients we use and what are the names, what are their purpose, what is DEX basic definition. You have gone through all this. I will continue from here in next video. Thank you friends, thank you so much.